Good morning, everybody. We'll take 1 minute for all the students as they are joining. Okay, so students, before starting the class, please make me sure am I visible and audible to all. Okay. So as today is the second class of revision of English literature. So what question I'm going to discuss, please note it down so that will help you in your upcoming exams. Okay. 4 to 5 questions have been already discussed yesterday. So I hope that questions are helpful to you. In the last speech of Bassanio, that was not Bassanio, for the first scene, that was of Salarino. So, all the question related to that we have discussed. Okay, one was remained. From that speech, one question was remained. So I will discuss this question today. So, are you somewhere writing the question? What I'm discussing this time? If you're writing, raise your hand, please. Okay, very good. Okay, so the 5 question is that why would he be plucking the grass? Okay, question number 5 is why would he be plucking the grass, and what else would do, and what else would he be doing to console himself? Okay, console himself. So, students, here there are 3 questions. Okay, first question is why would he be doing plucking the grass? Then after, and what else would he be doing to console? There are 2 questions. Okay, so here that what is the meaning of plucking the grass? I have already discussed when I was explaining the chapter. So, how many of you are that familiar with this question? Who will respond me? And I need more hands, please, because all the things we have been discussed. Anshika Singh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Anshika.
Ma'am, here he is plucking the glass to see where the wind blows, and also he would be peering or seeing in the maps of the ports, of the harbors and roads, so that he could find where his ships are at the time.
Right. So every object that seems to be harm to his ship would certainly make him sad. So this simple is very easy and we haven't discussed many times. So these 5 questions I want to discuss you related to that speech. Now I'm going to have the next important speech. You just go for Act 1, Scene I hope that is also seen of line number 130 to 139. 130 to 139. Okay, here the speech we have of Bassanio. He says, to you, Antonio, check the line. To you and Drew and Vaibhav, do you have any doubt? Please lower your hand if you don't have any doubt. I will give you time in last. Okay, so the speech of Bassanio is, or line number 130 to 139. To you, Antonio, I owe the most in money and in love. And from your love, I have a warranty to under beneath and all my plots and purposes, how to get clear of all the debts I owe. Antonio says, after that, I pray you, good Bassanio, let me know it, and if it stand, as you yourself still do, within the eyes of the honor, be assured my person, my extremest means lie all unlocked you to your occasions. So here we have two speeches. One is from the mouth of Bassanio, another one from the mouth of Antonio. So in what concept this speech was given? See, on the basis of this speech, I would like to ask a question to you that who owns money to Antonio? Why does he owe him anything else? Question number one. Who owns money? Who owns money to Antonio? Okay. In the same way, another question is, does he owe him anything else? Does he owe him anything else? So there are two questions. So how many of you are familiar with this question? Means knows the answer? Raise your hand now. See that there are only 39 students. 39 students are taking class this time. I told you yesterday that what revision we are doing nowadays is very important for your exam. Will help you because from outside questions are being discussed nowadays. But yet there are very less strength. Please try to take care of the revision classes. That I will send you the link, the video link, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So if those who cannot connect this time or due to server problem or any problem, please try to watch the video and see the class. So I will ask to Bhumish Tiwari.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning.
Ma'am, Bassanio owes the money from Antonio. Uh, uh through no, ma'am. 1 minute. I'm waiting there. Psylocke owes he enters a contract with moneylender Psylocke, which says Antonio will owe Psylocke 1 pound of his flesh if he will not pay his loan within 3 months. A time foundation was kept of 3 months.
Bhumi, your answer is somewhere not proper. You listen what we are going to discuss. Okay. I will ask you any other student, please.
Yeah.
Dhruv Srivastava. Yes, Dhruv, what happened? Tell. Unmute yourself. I hope there is some problem from. Oh, okay.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear, and what is, ma'am, your board is also not clear. Ma'am, network is.
There are some network issues. I'm asking. Okay, I'm telling the question. Who owes money to Antonio? Does he owe him anything else? Dhruv, can you hear me now?
Ma'am, your voice is lagging. 1 minute, I have to refresh. Ma'am, after 1 minute, you can unmute me.
Oh, okay. Okay. Vaibhav Kumar, do you know this answer? Chavi Pandey. Okay, Chavi. So I hope that you all are taking too much time. It's better that I'm only describe the answer because you all are taking too much time. So it says that who owes money to Antonio? What does he owe him anything else? Says answer is Bassanio confesses that he was wasted much money by spending it extravagantly. As I told you when I was talking about the character of Bassanio, that he is a man who spends money a lot. Okay, a man who spends a lot of money for his pleasures. So whatever debt, whatever money he has taken from Antonio, all has been finished. So he confesses that he has wasted all the money, means much money by spending it extravagantly. He has also taken a loan from Antonio to meet his expenditure. Okay, to spend money and to meet his expenditure, he has taken loan as well from Antonio. Thus, he owes money to Antonio. So, who owes money to Antonio? That is Bassanio. Why? Because he is habit of spending money, extra money for his expenditure. Then, what is the question or answer of this part? Does he owe him anything else? See that besides money, Bassanio owes love to Antonio. That Bhumi, you did not get the point of the question. Okay, asking question is something else and your answer is something else. That is why try to take these things. Besides money, Bassanio owes love to Antonio. When I was explaining the chapter, if you did not see these things, please go to the video Act 1 and Scene 1 or Scene 2, whatever acts or whatever scene we had. Watch the video and then you will get the proper explanation. Besides money, Bassanio owes love to Antonio. He has always been treated with sympathy and love by him, that is Antonio. He has yet to repay his money and love. That is why he told that I owe the most money and in love. Two things in his speech is very common. The second line of this speech. So what does he owes him anything else? So that else is what? Not only money but also love. But also love, that sympathy. These all things has been taken by Bassanio from Antonio. So this is the right answer of this question. So I hope that everybody got the point of this answer. Raise your hand and then make me show, please. Okay. Now let us proceed for the next question. That is, who and what encouraged him to disclose his plans to Antonio? Disclose his plans to Antonio. Okay. See, what encouraged him to disclose his plans to Antonio? Who will reply this answer? Raise your hand first. Anshika Singh, only raised.
Ma'am, Bassanio gave an example of his school days to Antonio that he had lost his shaft, his arrow, and then he again shooted another shaft and found the first one. And so he gave an example that the first amount of money which Antonio gave to him, he has lost that. So he want Antonio to believe him and give him another amount of money so that he could recover the first one, or if he could not recover the second one, he could be he could ma'am, this much only.
Okay. Any other? Adiba, I will ask to Adiba. Where are you, Adiba? Okay, Tanvi. Okay, she is here. I got. Okay, Adiba.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, Bissani was encouraged because he was, ma'am, because Antonio was in melancholic state that time.
Melancholic.
And yes, ma'am, sorry. Ma'am, he was in ma'am, he gave him example of his school days. Ma'am, I'm not very sure with this para.
Okay, just wait. There are something left in Anshika's point as well. Tanvi, do you want to say something here? Try to find out what question is asking. Anshika, I ask you to, see what encouraged him to disclose his plan to Antonio. This is the question. I'm not asking what is the plan of Antonio. See that there is a little difference. Okay. Question is asking what encouraged. And you are giving me answer of his plan. That in school day he has planned that arrows and shoot. So that is about that was his plan. So in this way he is going to pay all the debts that was taken from Antonio. Question is asking what encouraged him to disclose his plan. So that is something else. Anshika, do you getting my point? Huh? Question is asking something else. Okay. It is not asking that in what way he is going to pay or repay all the debts of Antonio. It's asking what encouraged him to disclose his plan. So it's very simple. Why you're going to disclose a plan to your friend? Suppose Anshika, you have any secret, you have a plan for your future. So if you have a plan, you are going to disclose your plan to Chavi. So why somebody is going to disclose a secret plan to somebody? That is the question. Why? Who will respond me? Because they both were very close friends. When he was in need, who always stand? Antonio. So he has a great faith on him. Okay. Because he was fully realized on Antonio. If you have a great faith, you realize on Chavi, then only you are going to disclose your plans to somebody. So that is why. Here we are not talking about that what he has a plan. Question is not asking about a plan, asking that what is the the things in which condition somebody is going to disclose themselves. So that is the question, right, Tanvi or Anshika? Now clear? See that Bassanio fully relies on Antonio's love. He knows that his friend will always help him in need. That is the point. Okay. This has encouraged him to disclose his plan. That only I explained you. Why? Because he knows that he loves me. He knows that when I will be in need, he only will help me. So he is a person to whom I can have faith or trust. So that is why. Clear now? Everybody got this point? Raise your hand, please. Okay, all right. Question number 3. He has plan expected to help him to pay off Antonio's loan. Now see question number next. Question number 3. How is he planned? How is he planned? That is his plan. Expected. His plan expected to help him. How has his plan expected to help him to pay off Antonio's loan? Okay. How has his plan expected to help him? Now we will give, please try to understand the question first. What is asking here? How is his plan expected to help him? That him is for Bassanio. For what? To pay off Antonio's loan. Okay, who will respond me? Aradhya Patak.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Ma'am, he tells Antonio about his school days that when he was uh, throwing a arrow, and when he lost that the first arrow, then he took off the second arrow and threw the second arrow in the same direction in which he threw the first arrow, and by adventuring both, he founded both of them. So by that means he's telling to Antonio that the first arrow means the first loan which you have gave, I have lost it, I have spent it, um, I have lost it, I have spent it, and please give me the second loan.
Mm.
I will surely return you both the loans as
Okay.
which I have done in the arrow.
Okay, just wait.
Okay, just
Any,
wait. Any
Okay, now Dhruv Srivastava.
Hello.
Hmm.
Ma'am, Bassanio asks Shylock,
Mhm. No,
a Jewish money lender,
no, no,
for
no.
a
This is not near
loan.
about the answer. No, no. Here you don't have any Shylock opinion. No. Anshika Singh.
Bassanio reunion of his school day that during his days he was an arrow.
Okay, there are some problems. You are also saying the same answer.
Rather aiming.
Tanvi. What happened, Tanvi? Okay, Adiba, you tell.
Ma'am, Bassanio told that he owns a lot of loves of Antonio, money and loves of Antonio, and his love is a warranty that he will be unburdened of his plot and whatever debt he has taken from Antonio.
Okay, so I'm not somewhere satisfied with all the answers. What 5 people have given me? Question is something else, you all are saying something else. That is why now in class 9 that will be difficult to solve question. I'm worried for somewhere for that only. You are telling something and it is asking something. What a plan, as Aradhya and Anshika Dhruv, they are saying something different. In his school days, he was doing the same, so that was his plan. He thought that in his school time, what I was used to do, so in future also I will do. So what was that plan that he just wanted to do? That is my question. First point, Aradhya, you are lacking with that. Okay, that was done in his school time. No, for what is in his young age in that particular time, you know, that in future time What event that he is going to do? From where he will buy? From where he will take money? What about that plan? That answer nobody has given me. Now you can note it down or somewhere the points I'm telling you. That Bassanio hopes that his plan will succeed. Which plan? Not that arrow plan. No, it's not talking about that plan. The plan C. He will make enough money to pay off Bassanio's debt. In fact, he's planning to try his luck. You know that he is going to meet to Portia in Belmont. So he's going to, what we can say, he's going to try his luck there. That's the plan. Okay, see that what is the difference? You're talking to something else. If you will write the answer, total marks will be cut. Total marks. You will not be getting, any at least 1 mark on that one. In fact, he's planning to try his luck among the suitors of a rich lady. For this, he will have to travel to Belmont. But he is sure that he will be lucky to marry that lady with the rich inheritance. Means if he is going to have a future husband of Portia, so she is having a rich inheritance. Now, so due to that, he will also have a lot of money. So that was his plan. He was planning. What is the concept about that shooting money and all? You know that shooting arrow. You all are talking about this plan only. It was just an example. It was just an example he was giving to Antonio. Actually, his plan is to marry Portia. He actually in love with the Portia, but he thought that if he's going to try his luck, and he was sure enough that he will be, that the new future husband of a Portia. So he was sure. Why he was sure? So because he was sure. That is why he was giving this example. That in earlier days, in his school days, he was doing like that. So in that case, I am somewhere confirmed and confident enough to have the next plan. In that way, I can win. My luck means my conscience says that I will be the future husband of Portia. Not only husband, but the owner of all the inheritance. What she will, she's somewhere the master of that, the owner of that. So if once I will be the owner of all the money, all the inheritance of Portia, so in that case I will pay all the debts what I took to Antonio. Now clear? Please raise your hand and then tell me. Okay, so that plan, due to that plan, he will become rich. He will become, if he will, he will choose the right casket and he will win Portia. Then after he will become a rich person. And once he'll become a rich person, he will pay all the debts. He will pay off the debt from, taken from Antonio. So this is the plan I'm talking about. So his plan. What plan? That he is going to try his luck. And if he will win, he was sure enough that he will win. He will win Portia. Clear? And once he will become a rich person, he just pay off all the loans from Antonio. So now everybody is clear? Please raise your hand and then tell me. Okay. Students, please take care of the question because really I'm somewhere tensionized what answers you all are giving. That is not like class 8, class 6, class 7, and class 8 what we had. That things were very easy. You are getting answer, you are just having answer in your mind and then copy the same in your examination copy. No. Things are somewhere different. This is your board exam. Don't think that literature is very easy. Okay. Because questions will somewhere different here. We will be getting questions that is somewhere different, not only from drama, but also the prose and from poetry. So take care of this. Question number 3. How does Antonio respond to his friend's need? Very important question. How does Antonio respond to his friend's need? Okay. So how does, you all are taking too much time, so it is better because now 11:30 is going to 11:18 is going on. I'm just explaining because your answer is somewhere different. Okay. So how does Antonio respond to his friend's need? How many of you are knowing this answer? Raise your hand. Okay, Dhruv, tell me first. Take 1 minute and tell answer first.
Ma'am, Antonio confesses his sadness to two of his friends, Salenio and Selenio,
Hmm.
and he adds that he has no idea.
No. Aradhya.
Hello, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, Antonio says to Bassanio that he has spent all his money in his business and he has no money with
He
him.
has spent.
He has invested all his money at his ventures and he has no money with him. So he suggested to Bassanio that you can take my credit in Venice to any money lender in Venice and test my credit whether he will give or not.
Okay, okay. So answer is somewhere near about. I will ask you any other student. Adiba.
Ma'am, Antonio told that he has no ready cash now. So Bassanio can lend money from someone else in the Venice, and he will take Antonio names.
Okay, okay, right. Now see something that is lacking in your answer. I will explain that Antonio responds eagerly to his friend's need. He, as soon as he finished his speech, we find that once Bassanio finished his speech, okay, just after Antonio's response, so he eagerly responds. It shows that he was, he was how much interested to help Bassanio. So that how much, that how much he was interested. So that how much shows that they are very close. Means their state of mind is somewhere very close. So first of all, that he was eager. Okay, that anyhow he was he's going to help him. And then after, on that time, as you all told, that he is ready to place his friend's disposal everything he has. Okay, first of all, he told that you can take my purse, you can take my person. I will explain in the next question, and whatever what I possess, you can take. As Aradhya told that he had not a ready cash on that point, as Adiba also told. So on that time, he told that they had an idea to take the credit of his good name, and then they have they can take loan from any other money lender. So that was all over the answer that you all have given good, correct. Then the last question from this speech is explain. Here you have to explain something. Question number 5, you have to explain. What you have to explain first is my purse. What is the second? My person. Then the third, my extremist means. That is why I'm taking this point. That is just based on the next one what we have talked. Extremist means. Now here means is that is belongs to that extremist. Just take 1 minute and try to understand these things. That is the speech. These words have been taken from the speech of Antonio. Just tell what is the meaning of these three. How can you going to explain these three? You have only 30 seconds for thinking, and after 30 seconds, I will ask you. And I hope that you will be giving correct answer. Please. Okay, once you got to the point, you can raise your hand and then tell me that yes, you got the point. Only Adiba has raised her hand. Okay, Aradhya Vatak, one more. You know, that question is somewhere dependent on the next one, what we had explained, that what types of thing he is ready to give to Antonio. So these things will come there. I will talk to Adiba first.
Ma'am, by my purse, Antonio is telling that whatever cash and whatever money he had, and by my purse, by my person, he's telling that he's describing his close person and his extreme means that utmost resource he have, and he's telling Bassanio to be assured that whatever he have, whatever money he have, whatever extreme means that utmost resources he have, it is ready for him.
Okay, all right, Adiba. Now let us listen to Aradhya. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, here Antonio is explaining to Bassanio that what he has is all yours. My money, my cash, what persons I have, and my resources, everything is yours. Everything is for your need. Means he will help him. He's showing the expression that he will help him.
Okay, Aradhya. Now let me say something. Students, suppose this question will come in exam. I told you yesterday that all questions will carry 3 marks. Clear? So if the way you're talking, so that define only that you are explaining the first one will carry 1 marks, 10 marks, and then 1 marks. So the balance between all these three, the balance in these 3 points should be correct. So he offers him. First of all, if you're going to explain the answer, you will write that Antonio offers to help Bassanio in every possible way. If you somewhere writing the answer, it is good for you, that will help you. So first of all, he offers you to help him in every possible way. Now point number first, he offers him money. Purse means, first of all, you will tell that he offers him money. Purse is referred to money or ready cash. Okay. Purse can make available, means whatever money is somewhere available on that particular time, and they both were talking. So he offers him his money. So the purse refers to ready money or ready cash. Just note it down, this point. This point is only the answer of this point number 1. Are you writing? Raise your hand fast. Okay. So purse, in purse, where there will be concept of purse, you have to write whatever money is available on that particular time. Clear? Now 1 marks you get if you're doing the same. Point number 2. Antonio is ready to do anything in person for the sake of his friend. Anything for person. Okay. Anything means he can help him in any way with his body or as a person. So you can write that he is ready to do anything in person for the sake of his friend. Okay. Ready to do anything in person for the sake of his friend. Okay. So sometimes what happens, I will explain this point. Now the answer is correct. But let me explain more. What happens sometimes, we don't have money with us, but somebody, needs our help. So on that case, if you don't have money, so we say that I don't have money, but I myself will go with you. And what types of help you have, I'm just ready to help you. So the same is talking about my person. So he's somewhere ready to do anything in person for his friends. His friends need. My extremist means, okay. Antonio, point number third, because only 2 minutes remain. Antonio is not considering the question from the point of his affording to spare the money. It is not the question easy either of easy availability. He is ready to stretch his means to do anything from for Bassanio. See, my extremist means what? These two he has already told. Extremist means that all possible effort for a man, a possible effort can be done or can be made that he is ready to do. So here you can say that he is not considering the question from the point of his affording to spare the money. It is not a question either of easy availability, but he is ready to stretch all his means to do anything. To that extremist come to the highest peak. He is ready to help him to the highest peak. Okay, going to up and all over the possible effort to reach the stream. Talking about that particular stream. Okay, so that is the extremist means. So that stanza we have discussed. Some important question, because I don't know that even the next one of mine. Oh, I don't know that we will be getting the next class because now exams is very near. What I will do, some important question I will frame and then I will do in PDF for you. So that will be okay in group. Huh? Yeah, okay. So some outside question I will frame for you so that will help you, and you can just note it down the question and try to discuss among you all. Thank you.